That's not good.
Northwestern Brevard County in East Central Florida, Southeastern Orange County in East Central Florida, Northeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
Oh, it's just straight up didn't go off.
The thunderstorm was located near Harmony or near Holoton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
You hang out over there.
Include Titusville, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Merritt Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until... Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Florida, Southeastern Volusia County in East Central Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Maytown or near Oak Hill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Daytona Beach, Port Orange, Titusville, and Titusville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m.
I'm literally editing my other EAS captures right now.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles northeast of Ormond by the Sea, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Big George's Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness.
I never heard that before.
The latest tropical cyclone.
I also haven't picked up a special marine warning in a while. I'm only like just able to do it again.
Near latitude 11.3 north, longitude 42.9 west.
Normally if I move it a little bit, it just immediately cuts out. I have to have it right here.